Who can tell me the difference between a prawn and a shrimp? Or is there a difference? Anyone, without looking at your phone, without searching it up.
Different size?
That's what most people think, and that's how I write my recipes because that's what most people think. They think prawns are bigger, shrimp are shrimpy. They're small.
There's no difference.
Uh,
English, North American.
there actually is a difference. It's not the size. A shrimp has two pairs of legs, little claws on them, and a prawn has three pairs of legs with little claws on them. Who knew, right? But most people think shrimp are small, prawns are bigger. So that's why I write my recipe like that, because shrimp and prawns, they basically are identical in the way of texture, in the way of cooking time, in the way of flavor, and you're pulling off the legs anyway, so it doesn't really matter. The other major difference between a shrimp and a prawn is that, and again, it has nothing to do with cooking at all, but just so you know, this is your education part of the class tonight. A shrimp, after the eggs are fertilized, they will carry the eggs with them. A prawn has more of a free-form parenting where they've just put the eggs in the water for fertilization, and it's different. That's the only difference between them. Anyway, I digress.